Ka Sorkar Jylla kala Pynbna ya ka kerteng jogi ngut ki banyo pdiang ya ka khusnam Meghalaya Day Awards 2026 ki bakan thop ya Dr. KS Nongkinri, Father Binoy Joseph, bat ka kong Rio lang dhar. Dr. KS Nongkinri ulayo ya ka jingmenjur na ka benta banyo pdiang ya ka khusnam Tirot Singh Award halor ka Arts and Literature, Father Binoy Joseph ya ka Patogan and Sangma Award halor ka jingshakri ya ka imlang saklang bat ka kong Rio lang dhar ya ka khusnam tiang nang ba award halor ki kamya ka sports Pynbna menteri rang ba ka Jylla Konrad ki Sangma hadien ka jingalang jong kinhun menteri ha ka khatn Rio tri kala lingkon kini ki ngut ki bla sha jit halor ka jingno sinyang ling ba ki kam ki jam bat ki jing tre jing kta ki jongki kinyop diang ya ka ni ka khusnam ha ka singi rakhi ka Jylla ya ka Meghalaya Day. Menteri rang ba ulak dauru baka kinhun menteri keladap menjuri ka jingkren na kabenta ka singi rakhi Republic Day kaban puli da ulat ka Jylla hashlong bat ki menteri Sorkar lambat ki wepat ki he ki han hakaleng ka Jylla.
The government and the cabinet today has decided on the Meghalaya Day Awards 2026. So the Tirot Singh Award for Arts and Literature has been decided for Dr. K.S. Nongkinri for the Pathogan N. Sangma Award for Social Services. The name of Father Binoy Joseph has been approved by the cabinet, and for Kyongnangba Award for Sports and Games, Srimati Riolang Dhar. Her name has been proposed and approved by the cabinet today. We also had the Republic Day speech that was there today. We have cleared the speech, which is going to be, of course, read out by the Honorable Governor in Shillong and by respective cabinet ministers and other dignitaries in different parts of the state.